Hey guys, Brandon from Florida Outdoors RV Country here in Okeechobee, Florida. Here to show you this Palomino Maverick. It is a truck camper. Got our stabilizers here. Pretty good shape here. Got our shower outlets here, water hookups. Our ladder, you do any maintenance. So we have our fridge right here. An eating, sitting area here, along with you can sleep there as well. Then of course the main sleeping area up here. The sink area. Your 3-burner suburban oven. And got some baking space there as well. Nice big closet. A little hard to see, but then we got the bathroom. All-in-one shower and bathroom there. Alright, so if you have any questions, feel free to call us at 863-623-4689. Thanks so much for watching, and have a nice day.